Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. Beautiful AT4X is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the AT4X, you have your AT4X branded door cards, power windows, locks, and mirrors, memory seating, as well your automatic 4x4 push button, as well as driving modes, trailer mode, heads-up display controls up there, your automatic headlights and fog lights. You have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and paddle shifters on the reverse side. A full digital gauge cluster as well with all the information you need for your Sierra. A 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system, Google Maps, as well as Google Play Store, Assistant, everything Google through the head unit, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are both still available. We have big push-button ignition, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seating. You do have your lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start, all the features you would imagine, as well as we have our locking differentials for the AT4X now available in the full-size pickup. You have rear locking and then front and rear for all electronic as well, and your shifter knob in the center, integrated trailer braking system, wireless charging pad, all black interior with Bose audio, and then our beautiful AT4 only leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires, as well as the Multimatic DSSV suspensioning system on the AT4X. Color matched door handles with, of course, your AT4X badging, 6.2 liter plaque on the front fender. Up front, we have the factory lift kit, making room for the big wheel and tire packages, and the ultimate GM performance suspension system. Coming down to the front, we have the AT4X grille, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Making our way back down the side here, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. Towards the back of the truck, we have color matched rear bumper, a trailer tow package, rear parking sensors, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck, second row leather 60/40 split, the AT4X interior. You do have your in-seat storage feature, car seat ready and heated, both end seats, a sliding rear window with defrost. We have a suede wrapped headliner as well, extra headroom, LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. You do have dual USB ports as well as your heated seat controls and the rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed in the back of the crew cab Sierra. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.